Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the fourth part of 8th chapter Mapping Your Way of class 5 subject mathematics, and I am Jay Prakash. Let's start the class. Now come to today's topic. So the name of the topic is Map 6, which is based on the boundary of states and cities. So let's have reading. The sea. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. Here you can see. This is the picture of sea and this is Bala. Now, have you seen the sea? Yes, we have seen. In the picture, where is the sea? So this is the picture of sea, and we can write in front of Bala. The sea is in front of the Bala. Now look for the sea in the map of India. We have already seen it. What color is used? So blue color is used to show the sea. Now mark those states which have the sea on one side and name one state which does not have the sea on any side. Okay, so let's find the states which have the sea one side. So for that we have to go to the Indian map. So here we have Indian map, and here you can see that the blue color is already used here, and now we have to find out the states. So first is West Bengal, second Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat. These are the states which have the boundary with the sea. Now some other states which have whose boundaries does not touch the sea. So northern states you can write like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana, okay, Uttar Pradesh. Find out. So look for different maps, compare the different scales used in a local area map, a map of India, or a world map at Rexa. So you can do it. Now lines between the states. Sabu is confused about the lines shown between the states, and she is saying that I traveled from Delhi to Haryana, but I never saw any lines on the ground. Okay, so he's thinking that if there are lines on the map, it means on the ground there will be also lines. So how do we see them on the map? Now, replying is here. No, there are no lines painted on the ground. The map shows us where one state ends, the next begins. So state boundary shows that where one state ends and another one begins. Oh yes, we paid the toll tax at the border. I saw a big board saying welcome to Haryana. Yes, if we go from one state to another state by road, so we pay always the toll tax. Now actually they both are talking about state boundary, and now here we have map 6. But before going on map 6, some more interesting thing I want to share with you related to our Indian state. So as you all know that the biggest or largest state in area is Rajasthan, and in population the biggest state is Uttar Pradesh. So now you will reply me, or you will write your answer in the comment box. You will write the name of the smallest state in area and in population. Okay, now two more questions I want to ask you. That what is the total number of states, means there are how many Indian states at present in 2020? And the last question related to state is, which state of India that touches the boundaries of most state? So here you will write the name of the state which touches the boundary of the most states. So now come to map 6. Distance between towns. Okay, this is the map 6. So let's have a look for it first. Cholaghat, Bhelpur, Dhoklabad is here, Barfi Nagar and Idlipur. The all cities are named in their food items. Cholaghat, Bhelpur. Okay, so come to questions. These are 5 towns. Find out. We have already found out it. How many centimeter away is Idlipur from Barfinagar. So this is Idlipur and this is Barfinagar. So you will measure it using your ruler and in your book. So I measured and I found that the distance in this map from Idlipur to Barfinagar is only 5 centimeter. And here is one scale. 1 centimeter on paper means 10 kilometer. So in kilometer, if we say the distance from Idlipur to Barfinagar, 5 centimeter means 50 kilometer. Now come to second question. How many kilometers will you have to travel if you go from Idlipur to Barfinagar? I have already answered it. Okay. 1 centimeter on paper means 10 kilometer and the distance from Idlipur to Barfinagar is 5 centimeter. It means 50 kilometer we have to travel. Third question. There is a place called Thukpagram, midway between Idlipur and Barfinagar. Mark it with T. So the total distance is 5 centimeter from Idlipur to Barfinagar. So Thukpagram is at the midway. So we have to find the half of 5 centimeter. So half of 5 centimeter is 2.5. So using your ruler you can measure it and you will mark it in 2.5 with a T letter. Okay, write there T. Next question. Okay, next question is a town called Jalebipur is 35 kilometers away from both Cholaghat and Dhoklabad. Okay, this is Cholaghat and this is Dhoklabad and 35 kilometers away from both cities. So first we have to find the total distance from Cholaghat to Dhoklabad. Okay, wait. So where do you think it can be? Mark J for it. So J for Jalebipur. Okay. So in my book I measured first Dhoklabad to Bhelpur. So I found it was only 2.5 centimeter. Okay, 2.5 centimeter. Then okay, 2.5 centimeter means 25 kilometer, and we need for 35 kilometer just one thing. Okay, one thing here you have to understand that 10 kilometer means 1 centimeter here. So 35 kilometer, it means 3.5 centimeter on the map. So we have to measure 3.5 centimeter. And here I found that Dhoklabad to Bhelpur, this is 2.5 centimeter. And Bhelpur to, on the road of Bhelpur to Cholaghat, I measured only 1 centimeter. So I think here it should be J for Jalebipur. So let me mark it J. So this place will be Jalebipur because it is only 1 centimeter. So 2.5 means 25 kilometer and 1 centimeter means 10 kilometer. So 25 plus 10 total 35 kilometer. So here it should be. Now the last question is okay, measure what we have to measure the length of the route between Bhelpur and Cholaghat. You can use a thread. Okay, Bhelpur to Cholaghat. So here is Bhelpur and this is Cholaghat. So the road is very curved, so we have to use a thread. So I used a thread and I found that the distance is 6 centimeter on the map. So on the road means on the ground it will be 60 kilometer. So in this way you can answer it. So the map 6 is completed in this way and it's time to over the class. So see you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.